Okay, this is Unit 4, our first section in linear equations. So we're starting off with Section 1, coordinate plane and points. So the coordinate plane is comprised of two axes. So our horizontal axis, which is our x-axis, or the line y equals 0, and our vertical axis, which is the y-axis, or the line x equals 0. So this is our y, and this is our x. The intersection of your axes is called the origin. And that is the point 0, 0. So right here is the point 0, 0. The axes are also split into 4 quadrants. So it splits your graph into 4 separate quadrants. We label our quadrants with Roman numerals and we go counterclockwise. So our first quadrant is right here. It's the positive values. So a positive x and a positive y. Our second quadrant, again, we're going counterclockwise. So opposite the clock. And that is negative x values but positive y values. After that, we have the third quadrant, which is both negative x and y values. And finally, our fourth quadrant, which is positive x but negative y. Ordered pairs are a way to distinguish the location on a plane, and they are given as x, comma, y. So, plot the following ordered pairs. So again, remember we have them as x, comma, y. So here is our x and here's our y. So you always start counting from the middle. So for k, we're going 4, 6. So we start in the middle, going over 4, up 6. So that's k. And that is also in quadrant 1. N is negative 2, 5. So you start at 0, 0, go back 2, up 5. And that is in quadrant 2. I is at 7, negative 3. So start at the middle, count over 7, down 3. And that's in quadrant 4. G is at negative 10, 0. So you go all the way over to negative 10. And 0 means we don't move up or down, so we are right on the x-axis. Not on any quadrant. H is negative 8, 1. So go left 8, down 1. That is in our quadrant 3. T is at 0, 0, 2. So we don't move left to right, but we go up 2. So that's on the y-axis. And S is at 3, negative 8. So go right 3, down 8. So that's in quadrant 4. Okay, now without graphing, we need to determine which quadrant the following points are in. So I want you guys to add these. Extra points in. So remember, quadrant 1 is both positive. Quadrant 2 is negative, positive. Quadrant 3 is negative, negative, and quadrant 4 is positive, negative. Oh, oops. Should have Roman numerals. My bad. So we have a negative and a positive. So that's quadrant 2. For F, we have positive, positive. So quadrant 1. C is negative, negative. So quadrant 3. W is positive, negative. So quadrant 4. V is negative, 0. So that is on the x-axis. And then P is 0, and then the other point doesn't matter. So this is on the y-axis. So this is our y, this is our x. Okay, and I am missing a page in the notes. Okay, I guess that is it.